Here's question 27, and basically I've gone ahead and drawn a picture already, so just remember to label it A, B, C. Little a, B, and C are across from it, so little c, 19 is here, little b is here. This I can label little a. This is also solve the triangle, but you'll notice this time they gave me the side, then the angle, then the side, so that means I'm going to be using cosine rule, or the law of cosine. So in this case, the first thing I would solve for is a, and the formula would be a squared equals, I'll just go ahead and write the formula, b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. Okay, so let's plug in everything I know. So b squared is 12 squared, 19 squared, minus 2 times 12 times 19, cosine 42. Again, make sure your calculator is set in degrees. So at this point, this question, since I'm solving for side, I can just put all of that in the calculator. So 12 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 12 times 19 times cosine of 42. Okay. And I get this, but basically what you need to recognize is that this is only a squared. So what you're going to do is you're then going to square root whatever you got. So in this case, I'm actually not going to delete it from my calculator. 1, 2, and it rounds to about this, but I'm not going to round. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to press square root, and then I'm going to press this answer button down here, so that I'm using the whole answer that I had, and that'll help me to be more accurate. So if I'm going to round to the nearest tenth for sides, this will be 12.9. Okay, so from there I need to find the other angles. Now the thing is even though you use cosine rule in the beginning, there's actually nothing that prevents you from using sine rule once you have enough information. So in this case, I can use this to now find one of the other angles. So let's say I want to find angle B, I can use sine rule. So sine of B over 12 equals, and in this case sine of 42 is A over 12.9. Okay. So from there I'm just going to multiply by 12, and I'm going to have to do shift sine on the outside. So shift sine, and then I have a fraction, sine 42, close the brackets, over 12.9, and honestly you can use the former answer to make it even more accurate, times 12. So in this case, if I'm rounding to the nearest degree, I would have 39 degrees. And then to find C, I would just go with our standard 180 minus 39 minus 42. And you get 99. Okay, so now you've found everything that was missing.